I was calling about the Guno pig on Craigslist. It's gone.
Yeah.
It passed away? Hello?
Hello, it's Pete.
Hey, I'm calling about your Craigslist for the couch.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a a love seat couch.
It's a couch. It's got it seats 3 or 4 people.
Oh,
and then
okay.
I got a recliner too.
Oh, recliner too. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
And match.
They match.
Really, and it's in good shape too.
Well, I mean, they're in good shape. I had a golden retriever.
Okay.
That scratched it up a little bit, but other than that, yeah, I mean, you sit on them, they're awesome. They just got some scratches on them, but yeah, it's free. I'm not charging for it.
Right. Well, I'm gonna come get get a coffee table too to go with it.
Do what now?
Like a table, a coffee table.
I don't have any tables. That's the only 2 things. I moved, and I didn't want to move those 2 because I'd already bought a whole brand new set, and I didn't want to move those 2 in there because I didn't have any room for them.
Man, well,
that's the only 2 pieces I have left.
That's crazy. Who give away who giving that away without the coffee table? You got to have the whole set, my man. I'm for real.
You want it?
Well, I appreciate if you had a coffee table. I'm supposed to do. I mean, I need the whole set. Yeah, I mean, you're selling this here.
I'm not selling. I'm giving it away.
Well, that's neither here nor there. If you ain't got the coffee table, what good is the set?
Well, at least you don't have to pay for it.
Well, shit, I got to pay for everybody that says, "Where's your coffee table at?" Damn, the guy jipped me off. You know what I mean?
No problem.
I'm about to pass. All right, pal. Have a good one.
Hello.
Good afternoon. I'm calling about the wood chips for sale.
Yes, sir.
All right. What are you looking for?
Huh?
What are you looking for them? The wood chips, are they still got them?
Yeah, well, we own a tree company, so, we're always looking for places down.
Well, I'm calling about the free wood chips.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We own a tree company, so, we grind the brush and the wood up, make wood chips. I'm just really looking for a place to dump.
Oh, you want to dump? All right, well, yeah, let me, I'm interested. Then, well, let me get a pen so I can give you my address. All right.
All right. What do you think?
You just gonna come dump them?
Yeah, well, where are you at?
Well, let me ask you this. What do you guys, how much is it?
Oh, they're free,
Well, shit, I know they're free. What are you paying me to let you dump them on my property is what I'm saying.
Well, how much would I pay you?
Yeah, you ain't gonna put your damn wood chips on my lawn for free. You crazy.
Well, then what'd you call for?
You got the wrong one, pal. Ain't nothing. No, you ain't gonna rent my space without paying. Okay? I'm gonna charge you. We can work a deal.
I don't understand what you're going on about.
Well, clean out your ears. I'm saying, come dump the chips and pay me.
Why would I pay you?
Shoot. Shit. The wrong one. Must think I'm a dope. Put the boss on the phone.
This is the boss.
Well, listen, I got a complaint about your guy I was talking to. I just told him that he could come dump the chips, and he told me, "Oh, we're gonna charge you," and getting all sassy with me. I'm gonna make a complaint on him right now. Hello? I'll message him.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I was calling just about the free piano online on the where I get it, on Craigslist, and let you all know that I'm gonna be interested in it. So if y'all give me a holler back, I appreciate it. I got 2 kids, one that's in the 2nd grade, is about to start a music class, and then I got Tessa. She's 13. She want to learn. She'll apply about learning for perfect about 2 years and been playing that piano. So give me a call. Maybe we can set it up. You come by. You play a couple of tunes. You show me how it works and everything. But my wife, she left me, so it's just me and the 2 girls there. Play some musical shit, you know what I mean? Like, and just, having a good, relationship with my daughters and grow them up, learn about music, best thing I can give them, you know what I mean? So, and my wife left me for Larry. Larry was my buddy that I worked with at the wheelhouse, and she left me for him. And if I could get that piano, that'd probably help me out a little bit. It'd be sort of like a therapy piano, if you know what I mean. So if you could give me a excuse me, a holler back, I appreciate it. I'll call about your Craigslist ad up.
For what?
Well, a light fixture.
Yeah.
It's a 60W. Is that the feet?
60 watt.
The watt? Huh?
Yeah, 60 watt bulb.
What, you got a bulb in it?
No, it's just a 60 watt light fixture.
Well, what I don't get is what it fix. You said fixing it or something?
Yeah, it uses a 60 watt.
What's it fixing to do or something? What is it, a bulb?
No, it's a fixture.
A picture of what?
A light fixture.
I'm looking. Is it framed? Something you hang on the wall?
Hey, something you hang on the ceiling.
But it's a picture. I don't get it. What is it of? Like a farmhouse or something?
No, it's a fixture.
Oh,
not a picture. It's a fixture.
What is that? A fixture? I don't know.
Yeah, light. It's a light.
All right. How much you want for it?
It's free.
I'm gonna have to think about that. All right. Thanks, boss. All right.
All right.
Bye.
Well.
Yeah, I'm calling about your Craigslist, the bed.
Oh, about the mattress?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. We gave away. I just got to take down the ass.
What happened? You gave it away?
Appreciate it.
You gave it?
Yeah.
You gave what? You got anything else for free over there?
No, man. I gave both. I had a chair and I took both of them.
Damn, I noticed that on the mattress it said it had some shit stains on it.
Well, we don't know what it was. We had it before us. So we've gotten it.
Damn, I was fitting to check that out, see what it smells like.
Yeah. All right, buddy. Appreciate it.
All right, thanks, boss.
Oh.
Hey, I'm calling about the TV.
I'm sorry. What was that?
I'm calling about the TV on Craigslist.
Yes, it's available.
Okay, well then I'm in luck. I'm gonna come. See, what kind of stand is it on?
What kind of what?
Stand is it on?
Whatever stand you put it on, it's not on any stand. It's just
Wait a
by
second.
itself.
Wait, you giving away TV, but ain't giving away the stand? I mean, don't you think that's kind of
correct?
That's kind of ridiculous. I mean, you go to Walmart and get a chair without the cushion.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about. It's a TV that sits on a table.
Look, smartass, I'm talking about you should have the stand to go with it instead of pulling my chain here.
You.
Yeah, eat your ass out, boy.
It's free, you fucking asshole.
I don't give a damn what it is, you pothead. You want me to come over there and...
You've been drinking, haven't you?
Oh.